Shakas. Shakas, aloha crafty friends. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick little project share. I've have this die in my stash that I've decided to use. They make these cute little coffins that you could add a few trinkets or treats to. And so I'm gonna put one together here on my 31 days of Halloween projects, your inspiration to get you in the mood. So I like it because it does cut out a great score line, and see how easy it is to fold, and then you just fold those pieces as well. Those are the pieces that you will use to secure. Hopefully I am in the camera range. So let me just get my glitter glue here, and just hold it for a few before you move on to the next one, because it is manipulating the paper to go a way that it doesn't necessarily want to go because of all of the angles that it needs to conform to. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the series. Let me know in the comments below if it's inspiring you, if you guys have started your Halloween, fall-ish crafting. Is the weather getting nice where you are? It's still... Sorry, my battery ran out, but I did finish making a few of them, assembling them. This is what they look like once they are assembled. And so yeah, don't forget, let me know if you guys are liking this series. But yeah, so these are how it comes out. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you guys are new here, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on my crafty journey. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you as well. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.